Hello everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. I just wanted to share something with you today, what I was doing. So this morning, my daughter was sick, and my husband and I had to get up really early. She was vomiting all night, and early this morning before sunrise, I asked him to take her to the ER. So while he was doing that, I got up, and I had been, this week doing a lot of cleaning and organizing and stuff. So I came in the kitchen and I thought, well, I'll just start cleaning out these cabinets and things and wiping them down and getting them put back and cleaned out while I wait, keep busy and see what's going on with her. So I was just going to show you, because I never did share on how I kept my cupboards. So anyway, and I went ahead and put my fall mugs out. So, of course, I need to get 2 more of the little fall ones from the Dollar Tree. I bought these last year at Dollar Tree, and these little plain colored ones I bought years ago from Dollar Tree. I love their solid colors that they come out with every fall about this time of the year. So if they don't have the leaves out this year, I don't know how many been, I may get just 2 different colored mugs, some fall colors or something, just to hang here so it looks nice. And we do drink out of these, so because it's near our coffee station. I have a yellow one of this. This came from Dollar General years ago, many years ago. If y'all remember these, comment down below. If you remember these and seen these at Dollar Tree, comment and let me know. Or if you've ever seen the colored ones, comment and let me know. So anyway, yeah, I want to get another one, and I think it would look better than actually these. I've got a yellow one that hangs over there right now, but I drank out of it this morning. So anyway, kind of babbling. Y'all excuse me. We don't have that many cupboards in this house, just a couple. So my husband bought this great big white cabinet for us to put our dishes in years ago, and from like Lowe's. And this is where I keep my dishes. So this is our dish cupboard, I guess you could say. And I keep like my big platters and bowls and just all kinds of dishes. So in my glassware, everything that we use daily basically is in here. So I was pulling stuff out, wiping it down, kind of revamping it a little bit, organizing the glasses a little bit better, and some things, just kind of tweaking it up just a little bit better. And that's how it looks. So we've got a little bit of space now right there on that shelf. So, which I've got a couple of things that need to go in there, but we still will have some space. Just a few things. So anyway, that's how that looks. And then go over here. This is the coffee cabinet. So all the other coffee mugs and all the coffee stuff, hot chocolate, all of our teas. My daughter and I, we're a big tea drinker. As you can see, we have all different kinds of teas here. And then of course here is all of our stuff for winter time. Like we've got our hot cocoa and apple cider and some cappuccino and our chai tea. And I like the English breakfast tea because sometimes I have problems with my stomach, so instead of coffee I'll drink the English breakfast tea. So that's all of our other mugs that we use, our travel mugs up there. And then those are if anybody remembers the Garfield, let me know down below. And then I got this cleaned up. And that's the little coffee station right next to our sink. So, and I put my little fall scents out here, a little fall stuff. So, and that's how that looks. So, now let me take you, and I'm going to cover it up with my hand so that I don't blind y'all. Okay, now this is the other cupboard that I just finished cleaning out and doing because it had wasn't bad or anything, but it had like just a mixture of stuff, and so I had like medicine over in the coffee cupboard, and I had some medicine over here, and I had some cups over here and cups over there, and glasses over here and glasses over in the other. So I wanted to get it all better so we weren't going back and forth to different things. And I mean, it was all organized, but it was all just here and there, here and there, here and there, you know. So it looked nice, but it was still just, it needed to all be in one place. So now all of our medications are right there. And those are the extra mugs, like Valentine mugs up there. And then behind it are like just some summertime cups, so that I swap out with. So now all that's all together. And now I can just close it. And it's all taken care of because we had all of our medication over here, and this was just a big old mess, and everything was sitting out. So now that's cleared away. My husband will be really surprised to see that cleared out now, and I know he'll be really happy. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more organizational videos, please give it a big thumbs up so I'll know you like these videos. Comment down below, share, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.